After ini silang kuan, Charlie.
Ito na po ang pinakamatinding bakbakan na mapapanood ninyo, kung saan ang top 3 riders ay makakarating sa podium. Kilalanin natin ang mga magsasagubaan. Positioning at number 12 by the number 5, RJ Manuse. At number 11, rider number 1, Janil Lapios. And number 10, rider number 2. Wala siyang name eh. And number 9, rider number 1, Ricky Banzon. And number 8, rider number 8, John Romero. And number 7, rider number 9, Romero Corbe. And number 6, rider number 58, RJ Comentador. Number 5 is rider number 101, Rodel Flores. Number 4 is rider number 20, our female rider, Colette Quizon.
Kulit.
At number 3, rider number 56, John Anthony Rosola. Number 2 is rider number 17, Charlie Villanueva. And to lead the pack, rider number 1, rider number 21, Romel Paz. Dahil final round ito, it will be 15 laps. 15. Yan ang ating round boy at disenyo ng NAMSA. Visors down. Good luck to all the riders as they take one lap, practice lap.
We would like to advise AMC Riders Club, AMC, all Mayor Club riders, proceed to the property.
Superstar action.
All riders of the AMC, punta na po kayo doon sa Mina.
Nakikita si number 20, ito na, after one lap, let us determine our race leader. Top 3, podium. One lap out of 15, 24, 56, and
punta na po kayo dun sa property division. AMC to the property division. Pati helmet.
Maganda ang ginawa ng 51 into the outer lane. 56.
Ha?
Ito na 56 yung pasok. Para lang number 56 is our current leader. Number 21.
Driver for the riders for the interclass between Pino.
Back wheel to 56. You will see.
Pino riders and SSC. Ito na po yung final grade result para sa final meeting nyo. The Interclub Battle. Roger Ambos, Joseph Abellar Jr., John Luke Senisa, Baby Jane Enat, Christian Torres, Mark Anthony Nambasa, Christian James Tabatingan, Kevin Enat, Oliver Tendon, Jundy Dominguez, Seth Caturas, Harold Areza. Please line up at the pit line out for your final week.
Here's our board. After 4, 56, 21, and 58. Malaki ang agwat. 56. Tumulas! Tumulas ang isang race sa mga kaibigan. Si 101 slides out of it. But remember, we have 15 laps. We have plenty of time. 56 now race, followed by 21 and 58. Iba talaga ang daling sa gawang kumukulan. It could be anybody's ballgame. Tuloy pa rin ang racing control ng 56. Talagang relax ng 56 after the lap is the rider number 56. Goes now, followed by 21 and
Riders for the Interclub Battle. Pino Riders at saka SS.
56 passing 001. Riders
for the Interclub Battle. The riders from the Pino Club. South Scooter Club. Pertaining kayo. Pila na kayo rito. Roger Ambos, Joseph Aguilar, John Luke Senisa, Baby Jane Enat, Christian Torres, Mark Anthony Narbasa, Christian James Kabatingan, Kevin Enat, Oliver Tendon, Jundy Dominguez, Seth Caturas, Harold Areza. Pila na kayo rito. Mamaya na kayo manood. Lahat mo yung tinawag doon for the Interclub ng Pino at saka SSC. Pila na kayo rito sa pit lane out for your final week.
Another rider goes down. That is rider number 101. Taking the ball. The battle is for second and third, 21 and 58. Ito lang po mga kaibigan, 56 still fighting through this race. Ang laki po ng agwa mga kaibigan. 41 and 58. Still not letting go of each other. Trying to get the outer lane this out for 58. Oh, he gets denied of the rider. See, not getting going. 21 and 58 still going at it. 56 has blown this lead to gigantic proportions. Pero si 21 at si 58 wala pa rin ito mga kaibigan. Tuloy pa rin ang puspusan. Here is 56. 4 laps to go. 4 laps to go.
Murang gusto na nakalabihan ko.
21 and 58. Maganda ang pinapakita ng depensa ni 21. Maganda rin ang kanyang control ng pag-liko. So far is just a battle for second and third. With 56 crossing. 3 laps to go. 3 laps to go. Maganda ang labanan si 56. Talagang pumapasok si 56. Blue flag down. Let 56 pass. Tuloy pa rin ang paswasan sa kanang mga kaibigan. Ito ang ating race leader making another corner. Blue flag down. Last 2 laps. Rider number 56 still leading the race. Maganda na pinapakita ni second and third place. 21 and 58. 2 laps to go. 2 laps to go.
Tsaka pila na kayo rito. Madiguloy tayo na madiguloy.
56 has blown this rider. Caveat again in 58. Tumabot kay 21. And 21 continue the control of second place. We will see as we approach our final lap. Last lap.
Angay dia oh, Charlotte. Sunod na
is
sila.
rider number 21 and 58 for third. Wow! Interview natin ang ating winner, rider number 50.